Welcome me lovelies back to my channel, and if you're new, sending love to you. My name's ANIKKA Forbes, and if you like what you see, then please subscribe. Thank you to me. Right about now I'm trying something new. I've got my locks and my wigs, so let's see what I am talking about right about now. So what do you guys think of locks and wig? Because basically I've been missing my wigs. I haven't worn one for a good few years, and since having my locks since 2017, again I've not been wearing any, but I just came across these ones, well, this first one, and there's a few more in my bag here, and thought, well, hello, I know I've got my locks, but one can still fling on a wig and see if it works, and I think it's alright. I can either keep the locks down like this, or I can still tie it back. Tie it back in one and have it as a proper short little bobster. Either way, something different, you know, lady of variety and all. Do you have locks, ladies? Do you ever wear a wig on top? Though I do want to get some other new wigs. Well, yeah, just want to change it up, innit? So let me know what you think, and here's a few pics I took. So let me know which one, if any, you might not like none of them, you would give a thumbs up to. Locks and wigs, people. Locks and wig. Not bad, is it? Right. Take it off. There it is, just the locks right there. Locks and wig. Locks and wig. Yay or nay? I think yeah. I'm gonna do over the next few days the other wigs to show you what they look like too. But they're little cheap wigs, nothing to shout about. But if I get some new ones, I'm going to get some nice lace ones. It's nice to just have wigs as accessories when you just want to look different, isn't it? Why not, mates? That's what I say. So yeah, comment and let me know what you think.